In today's video, we're diving into 3 of the best IP camera viewer apps for Android. If you're looking for a convenient way to monitor your IP cameras from anywhere, these apps are perfect for you. Let's get started and see what each one has to offer. IP Camera Viewer app. IP Camera Viewer app is a versatile application that allows users to monitor their IP cameras easily from their Android devices. The app supports a wide range of camera brands and models, allowing for flexible integration. Users can view multiple camera feeds simultaneously in a grid format, making it convenient for monitoring different areas. The app features options for taking snapshots and recording video streams directly to the device. Additionally, it offers customizable settings for image quality and resolution, ensuring smooth streaming even on slower connections. With notifications for motion detection, the IP Camera Viewer app is an excellent choice for users seeking reliable surveillance solutions. IP Cam Viewer for Android. IP Cam Viewer for Android is a powerful app designed specifically for viewing and managing IP cameras. It offers an intuitive interface that allows users to add cameras by simply entering their IP address and selecting the camera type. The app supports a variety of camera protocols, making it compatible with most IP cameras on the market. Users can enjoy features such as remote pan-tilt zoom, PTZ, control, video recording, and audio streaming, enhancing the user experience. With customizable alerts for motion detection and the ability to create a list of favorite cameras, IP Cam Viewer is perfect for security professionals and home users alike. IP Camera Viewer Android. IP Camera Viewer Android is another user-friendly app focused on providing seamless access to IP cameras. The app supports multiple camera protocols and offers a straightforward setup process. Users can create a customizable viewing grid to monitor several camera feeds at once. Additional features include the ability to take screenshots and record live video, providing flexibility for users who need to document events. The app also supports cloud access, making it easier to view camera footage remotely. With its straightforward design and robust functionality, IP Camera Viewer Android is a great option for anyone looking to keep an eye on their home or business. Thanks for watching our video on the best IP Camera Viewer apps for Android. We hope these recommendations help you keep an eye on your home or business easily. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.